What is peak brightness? Welcome to this presentation on peak brightness, and what it really means when we compare displays rated at 1200 nits versus 3000 nits. Today, we'll break down how brightness is measured, why it matters, and how these numbers impact real-world screen performance. Brightness in displays. Brightness is one of the key characteristics of any display. It tells us how much light the screen can produce and greatly affects visibility and overall image quality. In display technology, brightness is measured using a unit called nits. What are nits? A nit is simply a measure of luminance, technically 1 candela per square meter. In simple terms, the higher the nit value, the brighter the screen appears. More brightness helps overcome glare and enhances clarity, especially outdoors or in HDR content. Peak brightness. Peak brightness refers to the maximum level of brightness a display can reach for brief moments. This is especially important for HDR, where highlights like reflections, explosions, or sunlight need to stand out realistically. It's not the same as sustained brightness, which is lower. Typical brightness levels. Different types of screens have very different brightness capabilities. Standard SDR televisions usually reach around 200 to 400 nits. HDR TVs go much higher, typically between 600 and 2000 nits. Modern smartphones take brightness even further, often achieving 800 to above 3000 nits. 1200 nits displays. Displays with 1200 nits of peak brightness already provide strong outdoor visibility and solid HDR performance. Most mid-range and flagship phones fall into this range, offering a good balance between usability and battery efficiency. 3000 nits displays. A 3000 nit display is extremely bright and is typically found on premium smartphones or high-end professional displays. These panels excel in direct sunlight and deliver exceptional HDR highlights, making content appear more lifelike and impactful. 1200 versus 3000 nits. Practical difference. In practical terms, a 3000 nit display is about 2.5 times brighter than a 1200 nit one. This doesn't just make the screen easier to see outdoors, HDR highlights pop more, colors feel more vibrant, and fine details in bright scenes stand out dramatically. Battery and heat impact. However, higher brightness comes at a cost. Pushing a display to 3000 nits consumes more power and can generate additional heat. For this reason, devices typically allow such high brightness only for short bursts, especially in outdoor mode. Content viewing impact. When it comes to watching HDR movies, viewing photos, or playing games, higher peak brightness adds noticeable realism. Effects like sunlight glints, reflections, and bright explosions are far more impactful on displays with higher brightness capabilities. Do you always need 3000 nits? That said, not everyone needs a 3000 nit display. For indoor use, even 1000 to 1200 nits is more than enough. The ultra-high brightness mainly benefits users who spend a lot of time outdoors or frequently view HDR content on their devices. Conclusion. In summary, 1200 nits delivers very good brightness for most people, while 3000 nits is exceptional and ideal for challenging lighting conditions or serious HDR viewing. Choosing the right brightness depends on how and where you use your device.